Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should select the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you want to make it by the second way, just should hold for a while the app and then click to select, and after that you can select the another applications and then click here to create folder. As you can see, we have here two new created folders. If you want to add here more applications after that, you can just click here to this plus, and after that select all the applications which you want to add to this folder. For example, let's use the gallery camera app. So we select 3 more apps and then just tap here to done. As you can see, that's so simple. If you want to give a name to the folder, just click here, and after that let's enter, for example, the apps, tap to done, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed or give a name to the folder. We can move folders on the screen, just hold it and drag it by this way. Also we can move the folders between the screens, and we can also create the new screens for the folder. That's also not a problem, just hold and drag it by this way. If you want to remove some applications from the folders, you can make it by this way, just hold and drag it to the home screen. Now we can see that this application is on our home screen, but if you want to remove it from the holder and from the home screen, we should hold it and drag it here to remove icon, and after that we can also remove a couple of apps in one click. Just to do that, we should hold, click to select, and just select, for example, these 2 applications, click here to remove. And also if you want, you can remove just folder with all of the apps in one click. Just hold it and click to remove here, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.